Boasting a vibrant atmosphere and modern amenities, West Campus is a social hub close to campus, albeit with higher rents starting around $1,400 per month. While generally safe, occasional incidents of crime remind residents to stay vigilant. Offering a tranquil living environment away from the hustle and bustle, North Campus appeals to those seeking affordability and proximity to academic buildings. Though lacking luxury amenities, rents are more affordable compared to West Campus. It's worth noting that while generally safe, the crime rate here is slightly higher than in West Campus. Despite its budget-friendly rents, some as low as $400 per month, East Riverside's higher crime rates and management issues may give some pause. However, for those prioritizing affordability, it remains an option worth considering. Renowned for its historic charm and tight-knit community, Hyde Park offers a serene living experience, albeit with higher rents, averaging around $1,300 per month. Visit www.campusedgetexas.com to embark on your search for a new home.